Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 update failed error. First method is type search icon, type CMD in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Type net space, stop space, WUAU serve. Type net space, stop space, bits. Type net space, stop space, crypt svc. Type ren space, /colan /windows, /software distribution space, software distribution.old. Type ren space, /colan /windows, /system32 /catro2 space, catro2.old. Type net space, start space, WUAU serve. Type net space, start space, bits. Type net space, start space, crypt svc. Exit and restart system. Click Start, Settings, click Windows Update. Second method is click Start, Settings. Click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Windows Update. Third method, click Start. Typer Services, click Services. Open Windows Update Service. Change Startup Type to Automatic, start the service, click Apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.